Oh my god. Oh my god. This did not just happen. Okay, so she just sent me a spike. This did not just happen. I'm so excited right now. Because she told me to close my eyes and then I was like, oh my god. I don't even know what to say right now. Hold on a minute, I need to... Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. I can't even right now. This, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. That did not just happen. Okay, so here's the thing. I couldn't record my initial reaction. But my initial reaction, like, I didn't say anything. I was just sitting there. Oh my god. Oh my god. You know. Something. Okay, so my second reaction is so much better than the first one. Oh my god. My first reaction, I was just sitting there and then I was like, at first I thought, wait, who? Ew. I mess up everything. I'm so sorry. I always find a way to mess it up. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't even know how. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This did not just happen. I don't even know what to say. There's nothing that can repay her for that. Like, nothing in the world that can give her, that I can give her for that. There's like nothing. If I had a headdress, then she. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't even right now. Oh my god. I can't even. This is so cool. Oh my god. Okay, so that was my reaction. My second reaction, which was better than the first one because, as I said, my first reaction was just me sitting there, like, not breathing. I don't even know what to say right now. Like, this is my first spike in, like, forever, because I've never had one. I'm so happy. Okay, so I'm just gonna end the video here, and I will make another video tomorrow. So until then, keep watching my videos, and send Dusty Do lots of stuff. Oh my god. Okay, bye.